Let's be real. There's a child out there who's longing for a home-cooked meal. And it's not that his mom doesn't cook, but as a single mother, she works 60 hours a week just to pay the bills. There's a kid out there who arrives every day with an attitude. He's not mad at you. It's not because he hates school. He's just longing for food. Somewhere, there's a girl having trouble with the thoughts in her head. She's not wanting algebra, English, or gym. She just wants to be fed. I just wish I could make time stop so you would listen. Before we talk proper education, let's focus on proper nutrition. So thankful to be a part of something that brings purpose to life, where each school cafeteria can bring service to lives. Lunchtime is more than free time, it's more like we time, because we can exhibit empathy and true compassion if we design our menus and our lunch lines to look less like punch lines, because school food isn't a joke when you're broke. Free and reduced meals are more than handouts. They provide hope. And there's way more to a cafeteria than the food that's served. It's a place where we can help each child find their worth. For no child should ever have to eat alone in isolation. Yet across the country, we see the same situations. I understand that most students want to sit where they feel comfortable, but as humans, I refuse to accept that the YouTube comforts you. From screen to screen, no conversations had, except the ones in their heads. I just wish we'd all start to talk to each other instead. I propose we sit together, students, faculty, and administration alike, because love and belonging are something we all like. We may not all prefer to eat our vegetables, but we can agree that the power of compassion is incredible. What happens when we start to use our please and thank yous? What happens when we start to care? Taking our food and beginning to share. What happens when no child has to sit alone? What happens when school starts to reflect a cozy home? The power of food is undeniable. Thank you, school cafeteria, for being so reliable. Thank you to each cook, each server, and each worker, each vegetable, each fruit, and each burger. From bell to bell we teach, but there's more to do. We can change lives when we begin to see it's more than food.